YouTube channel, and welcome to the 4th of July vlog. So this 4th of July I'll be spending it at ballet because I've been doing National Ballet Summer Intensive. This is at the end of week 3 and I'm doing it for 5 weeks. And of course today we get to dress up for the 4th, so let's pick out a leotard. I just got this leotard for my birthday and it is absolutely perfect for the 4th. The striped Leo, oh my goodness, I have been waiting to wear this. And I picked it out for the 4th of July because I'm going to wear a red skirt with it and it's going to be so cute. And to top it all, my best friend and I are going to match in this leotard. So let's put it on. Alright, leotard is on and it is probably one of my favorite elevés. This material feels amazing. It is very buttery and soft. I love it. And the fit is just so cute. And then the back is even fun. It has a twist and it crosses. It is such a fun, unique leotard and I love it. I've been planning this outfit since June and I knew I needed a red skirt. So I've been searching on Poshmark and Depop. Finally on Depop I found 2 skirt options. First is a red bullet point. This could be a look. Or I found this. A red Amora skirt from Elevate. I'm kind of leaning more towards this one because it is a full fit of Elevate and because I like that it has the pinched and then it has the twist in it. So it's like cross pinched and I think that's really cute. So I'm probably going to go with this one. Next thing I need to do is pick out a warm up. I think this year I want to wear my Elevate jumpsuit. Here's the jumpsuit on, and now I need to pick a shirt, which I do have 2 options. I have this Vanderbilt shirt that has the American flag on it that I wore last year, which could be fun. Or I could go full just colors, and I have this red National Ballet shirt that could be fun. I'm kind of leaning more towards this shirt because it has the American flag on it. Here's the fit check. I'll give you guys a better one in the studio. Now it's time to do my hair and makeup. For hair, I'm going to do a braided high bun. Okay, I finished the braided bun. Here's what it looks like with the ribbon too. It's subtle, but I think it's fun. And now I'm going to add these red bows. Alright, I think this is the finished hair. I might add more at ballet because I am bringing my glitter hair gel, which we will be adding. But here's the final look here. And then the back. Now I'm going to start on my makeup. I am finished with my makeup and I added these pearl earrings and I really am obsessed with my hair. I think it's so fun. I also forgot to mention that usually Saturdays we have 2 classes, but today we're just going to have 1 and it will be from 10 to 12 and it's just a 2-hour technique class. Now that I'm ready, let's head on to the studio. It's so cool. See it? Happy 250! 4th of July paycheck. Leotard is from Elevate. Skirt is also from Elevate. And then the bracelets are from Amazon. Target bows, glitter, Amazon. Leotard from Elevate. Bullet point. I don't know, small store, Amazon. Cute star. Happy 4th. Yay! Made it to my grandma's house and now we're going to swim, which I'm wearing my brand new suit I got from Target and I love it. I feel like Barbie and I of course still have the pigtails in. I just got back home from the pool and I've changed into the Superman shirt I forgot I had, which I thought would have been very cute to wear for the 4th, but I forgot. So right now I'm going to watch Smallville and then start downloading pictures from today.
That is a nice looking tomato.
Missed.